Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a new page to your Wix website. Now all you have to do guys, you want to open your Wix account. Of course, after that you want to click on my site in the top left and then click go to my site, and then it will take you directly to your website. Now you choose the website that you want to add a new page to. For example, I'm going to add a new page to this website. Now just wait a few seconds for the website to load. And next thing you want to do guys is after it loads, you want to click on this design site in the top right. Now after you click on design site, you just want to wait again a few seconds for the website to load. Now next thing guys you want to do, as you can see it says here preparing your site. Next thing you want to do is you want to click on here pages. You want to click on pages and menu. Okay, you want to click on pages and menu, as you can see, and then you want to select site menu, as you can see, site menu, and then you want to click on add page. Okay, now you want to add how you want your page to look like. For example, I'm going to add this one, and then click add page here. Select which page you want, add page, and as it says here guys, adding your page. Click on name it. It says here about, you can name it anything, and then click done, and then click add page. Now after you name it, that's your new page. You can do whatever you want on your new page. As you can see, you can edit it, you can do anything you want. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.